Diabetics should be concerned about their feet because a secondary thing that can happen with diabetes is poor blood flow. Another thing that can happen is poor nerve conduction to the feet. What that means is you may not feel it if you step on something or if you get a blister. So typically if you get a blister, it hurts and you change your shoes. Diabetics may not feel it. That blister can then become a wound. The smallest scrape may take way longer to heal than it should because you just don't have the blood flow going down to your feet. Diabetics, therefore, should be checking their feet every day for any small changes that they notice. If there's any change in your feet, such as if it's too wet in between your toes, if you have a blister, if there's any redness, if there's any swelling that you may not have noticed the day before, or if you have sudden pain. Most patients are apprehensive if they think they have to come to a wound center because wounds in general can be daunting. I have a lot of patients who are very scared to admit that they might have a wound. And what's excellent about this wound center is the compassionate and caring nature that everyone here has. It makes people feel very comfortable with the treatment that they're going through. What you then notice is faster time to healing. Once the patient is the most comfortable with their own condition and they know exactly what's going on, they're able to use what they learn in the wound care center at home and therefore have faster time to healing. When patients come into the wound center at Griffin Hospital is when they start their journey towards wound healing. Education gives the patient the support and the confidence that they'll be able to continue this path to eventual healing. What healing gives them is their life back. The wound center at Griffin Hospital is essential because there's a large population of diabetic patients in this area. We see a lot of the diabetic patients in our office, so being able to weave those two together and get involved more in the community is very important.
Griffin Health, empowering people, advancing care.